Hello London View Dill viewers, today we're making a pomegranate smoothie. Before we start the video, I would like to say, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone, and please subscribe to our channel as a thank you gift and Christmas gift for supporting our channel throughout the whole year. Anyway, on with the video. Half pieces of peeled pomegranate, banana, 15 grams of dates, 15 grams of cashews, 15 grams of either sultana or raisins, 15 grams of almonds, 1 teaspoon of honey, half a cup of milk, mix all ingredients to blend until it forms a medium liquid consistency. Please subscribe to our channel, and have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to London View Dill on YouTube. And have a great Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.